Looking for a high-performance laptop that's perfect for business, work-from-home setups, and even content creation? Meet the HP 255 G10 Professional Business Laptop, a sleek, powerful, and efficient device designed to keep up with your workflow. Plus, we're also reviewing the Thunderobot ML101 Green Wireless Mouse to complete your perfect workstation setup. Stick around to see if this laptop is worth your investment. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Realtecshop, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews. Now, let's dive into today's review. First off, let's talk about the design. The HP 255 G10 comes in a sleek black finish, giving it a professional and modern look. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it an excellent choice for business professionals who are always on the go. The laptop also features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, providing crisp visuals and vibrant colors. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, attending virtual meetings, or watching videos, this screen won't disappoint. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The HP 255 G10 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, which delivers fast and efficient performance for multitasking. With 32 GB of RAM, you won't have to worry about lag, even with multiple applications running simultaneously. Plus, the 1TB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and ample storage for all your files, software, and projects. In terms of connectivity, the HP 255 G10 is well equipped. It features Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more reliable internet connectivity, an HDMI port for external displays, and multiple USB ports for accessories. Whether you're docking your laptop for work or connecting to a second monitor, this laptop has you covered. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the HP 255 G10 offers enhanced security features, improved performance, and a user-friendly interface. The seamless integration with Microsoft Office and other productivity tools makes it an ideal choice for professionals. To complement the HP 255 G10, we tested the Thunderobot ML101 Green Wireless Mouse. With an ergonomic design, smooth tracking, and excellent battery life, it's a fantastic addition to any workspace. Plus, its stylish green finish adds a unique touch to your setup. Powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 32 GB RAM for seamless multitasking, large 1TB SSD for ample storage, Full HD IPS display with great visuals. Comes with Windows 11 Pro for enhanced productivity. So, is the HP 255 G10 business laptop worth it? If you need a powerful, efficient, and reliable laptop for work or study, this is a solid choice. Paired with the Thunderobot ML101 wireless mouse, you get a complete setup that enhances productivity. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the HP 255 G10? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.